Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've landed at the exactly right destination. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online property service. What exactly is an online property service or a portal? This is a PropTech, and this is the place where we help you do virtual property site tours. What exactly are virtual site tours? Well, in this, we will tell you everything about the property that I'm showing you, starting from the land parcel to the number of towers to the sample flats and all that you need to know, including the amenities and the carpet areas as well. And once you've done that, I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you how can you also go ahead with the booking process. And there are also many advantages of taking a property with Property Cloud. A few of them are that, of course, we connect you directly with the developer. And also, because we are doing that, we will also give you the bottommost price and zero brokerage. Now, when I say the bottommost price, what do I mean? That means that we will give you spot payment booking options and also many other offers on your booking with us. Along with that, as I mentioned, that it is zero brokerage. So there will be no brokerage charged to you when you are buying a property with us. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you a lot more here. Let's go. And here I am at Ganga Avanta by Goel Ganga Developments. Now this whole project is located in a land parcel of 3.5 acres and it's going to have these two marvelous towers which are going to be of 25 stories each, and there are going to be 3.5 and 4 BHK premium apartments. As you can already see, the ground 2 floors are going to be commercial, and these are the amenities that would also be there on the podium floor. Along with that, the best part about this location is that from here, passport office is very close by, and also Mundwa and Kharadi areas are with ease of access. And along with that, Manora Mall and Seasons Mall are right next to the project. Along with that, even Magarpatta is very close from here. Ye to ho gayi accessibility ki baat. Now, if you want to see what does the flat look like from inside, then let me tell you, it has been made very beautifully, and I'm sure you're going to fall in love with it. I've already seen it, and now it's time for us to see it together. Chale. 1705 square feet ka this apartment is indeed a beautiful place to see. First of all, before showing you the whole apartment, let me show you the guest bedroom, which is right at the entrance of the house. Right over here is the guest bedroom, allowing you complete privacy to the house, and it also comes with an attached toilet and wash. Let's take a look at this one. It comes with anti-skid flooring, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and also a wooden finished roof, and also the CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings. And now if you're wondering what is this is the balcony, and it has a speciality. How? Let me show you how. Well, from the balcony, we enter right into the living room. So the living room and the guest bedroom balcony is attached. It comes with these wooden finished ceramic tiles on the floor, and the balcony is covered from 3 sides. Along with that, there is a toughened glass railing with a stainless steel frame also to it. Now the best part about the balconies is that there is no odd even concept. All the balconies come in one line, allowing you complete privacy. Anyways, there was privacy because the balconies are covered, but still this just adds to the security. Now let's get into the house, and this over here is your beautiful living area. Now from the living area, let's walk straight into the kitchen. Why am I saying walk straight into the kitchen? Because this is an open kitchen concept. Come and take a look at this one. It's so beautiful. With an L-shaped granite slab right over here that ends at your vegetable sink, and also an added dry utility area. And the dry utility area also comes with anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall tiles. Up to half length, it is covered from 3 sides and comes with a toughened glass on one end. Now this over here is your dining area, and now we're going to move into the common areas. And by the time we do that, let me also tell you that the whole house comes with a generator backup. Each and every house. And also the best part is, I don't know if you already noticed it, but the height of the house. This is a 10 feet house, so the height is 10 feet, and in this area, these are the tallest homes that you're gonna get, and also the largest carpet areas and big room sizes. When I'm talking about big room sizes, I'm sure you're already noticing it. Let's check out one of the bedrooms, how big they are. Now, this is the bedroom that comes with this standing balcony feature right over here. Half of this glass is a fixed glass, and half of it is a sliding door that opens directly into nature. The land that you can already see over here is the land parcel where the construction is going on, and now it's time to take a look into the next bedroom. By the time we're doing that, let me also tell you that each and every bedroom bedroom comes with a pre-fitted air conditioner. So you are going to get air-conditioned bedrooms. Now it's time to take a look at the common areas. And here is the wash basin, the common area as I said earlier, and also the common toilet and bath area. Let's take a look at this one. The guest bedroom also comes with a pretty big window. The similar size that we just saw in the kids' bedroom is a standing balcony feature again, and also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net. This bedroom, because it is a guest bedroom or the parents' bedroom as you can call it, also comes with a pre-fitted toilet and bath. Right over here, and it comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles. Also the ceiling that has been provided is of wooden finished. And this is the master bedroom. Now I'm going to take a look at the balcony, but before that I want you to take a quick look at the room and then follow me right into the balcony. This over here is a pretty windy balcony, and it comes with this toughened glass L-shaped railing over here with a stainless steel frame to it, and the flooring again is wooden finished ceramic. It is covered from one side and two sides, that is the L shape has been kept open so that there is maximum ventilation. Maximum ventilation की बात अगर हम कर ही रहे हैं, तो I think I should also tell you about this window that has been placed over here. So there is cross ventilation because there is an additional window that has been placed in the bedroom. सिर्फ lighting ही नहीं बल्कि it can be opened, so that's the reason there's going to be good ventilation as well. And now comes the best part, my favorite part of the master bedroom, and that is this walk-in wardrobe right over here. Now this walk-in wardrobe leads us to the master toilet and bath. Let's take a quick look at this one as well. Wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, wooden ceiling and anti-skid flooring along with CP sanitary fitting. And now in case you are wondering कि इतना अच्छा घर दिखा तो दिया, पर इसका बुकिंग प्रोसेस कैसे है, आगे क्या करना है, stay tuned with me and I'm gonna tell you. Now that you've seen the complete property, you need to know how do we go ahead with the booking process. It's very simple. In the captions एक link mentioned है जिस पे आपको करना है क्लिक, जिससे कि आप रजिस्टर कर पाएंगे अपने आप को हमारे साथ, और फिर हमारे सेल्स पर्सन कॉन्टैक्ट करेंगे आपको, जिसके बेसिस पे आपको वो दिखाएंगे the whole property, and this is going to be absolutely with free pickup and drop service. That's right, you heard it. Your dedicated relationship manager who will take you on site visits with absolutely free pickup and drop service and many more advantages. If you're going to book the property with us, all you need to do is very quickly click on the site below and get yourself registered on Property Cloud. Until then, I'm going to see you very soon. Stay tuned with us and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do not forget to mention in the comments how well did you like this property. Thank you.